Have you ever run into a situation where your Python program eats up all your memory? Or maybe you are dealing with a huge data sets and loop just feels slow. Well, my friend, let me introduce you to one of the Python secret weapons, generators. In this video, we'll break down what generators are, why they are awesome, and how you can use them to write efficient and memory friendly code. Let's jump in. Alright, so what exactly is a generator? A generator in Python is a special type of iterator that lets you generate value on the fly instead of storing them all in memory. Unlike lists, which load everything at once, generator create values one at a time as you need them. That means less memory usage and faster performance. Let's see how easy to create one. Did you catch that? Instead of return, we use yield. That's the magic word yield. Pauses the function, remembers where it left off, and continues when called again. Let's compare a list versus a generator. A list takes up massive memory, while a generator takes up a few bytes because it doesn't store everything at once. Ever worked with a huge file? Instead of reading it all at once, you can process it line by line with generator. Boom. No memory overload, just smooth processing. And that, my friends, is the power of Python generators. They are efficient, memory friendly, and easy to use. Try them out in your projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Python tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Happy coding and see you in the next one.